Hi, welcome back. So in the last slide, we discussed what is a face detection model, what are the various ways of building a face detection model, and we suggested also a brief algorithm for designing a face detection model. We also put up some highlights. We tried classifying a face detection model from a face recognition system, and in the long run, we discussed that we need both a face detection and a face recognition model to provide a efficient CKO system. Now, in this part, we are going to provide a demonstration of a face detection model. So basically, we are going to run a MATLAB code, which is going to have a short demo of the face detection model. So I'll quickly run through the MATLAB code. So here we are. So if I go to FD54, so here you see we have a lot of codes. So if we run, we have to run the main function. So maximize it. So if you see the code, so basically this code is actually invoking many functions. So these are some functions that we are used. These functions have actually helped implementing the code in the machine level method. Thanks to MATLAB for that. And this has actually helped in implementing the face detection model that we are going to run over here. So run, add to path. So here we have a menu. So if you see, it has 5 keys. So the first one is create database. So I'm just going to create the editor over here. Yeah. So if we create a database, so basically what this tab is going to do, it is going to create a connection to the database that is present at the backend. So if I click on these, so you see that it is loading the faces and the non-faces from the backend database and extracting the details from it. Next, initialize network. So it is going to initialize all the network connections and extract all the details. So whenever we are going to test our figures, so basically it is going to this connection is required for that. Train network. So basically we don't need this for the time being because as of now we just have the database itself is trained to have the network stability. So but we have kept the tab for some of our future work, so in case we need it, we can work on that and make something on base of that. So now test on photos. So basically we are going to test on a few photos over here. So if we take this photo, say of the database, open. Yeah, so if you see, this is basically this pink dots is basically distinguishing the figure, the pink images, I beg your pardon, the faces from the non-facial objects. So it is this coordinates, it is determining the coordinates out of the image that is being present, and from that it is eliminating the facial objects, so which is evident from these pink dots that are available over here. So in this way we thus demonstrate a small face detector model that we have done over here. We have on which we have done the coding and tried demonstrating the thing. So going back to the PPT. So here we come to the end. So now I will conclude on some of the facts that we have tried highlighting over here, and something which we can add up as one of our future works. So face detection, as you see, it has been an attractive field of research for both the neuroscientists and computer vision scientists. So humans are able to identify reliably a large number of faces, and neuroscientists are interested in understanding the perceptual and cognitive mechanisms at the base of the face detection process. As it is mentioned in problem definition, a face detection algorithm is supposed to be done beforehand. A robust and successive face detection step will increase the detection performance. So implementing such a face detection method is as important future work for successful applications, and which we can take forward for building a better and efficient face detection model. And lastly, that in order to further speed up the algorithm that we have designed earlier, so we have a number of Gabor filters. So this number could be decreased with an acceptable level of decrease in detection performance. It must be noted that performance of detection systems is highly application dependent, and suggestions for improvements on the proposed algorithm must be directed to a specific purpose of the face detection application. So we have provided some references on some base of some papers that we have used as a part of our research, as a part of our project, and designed the thing. So thanks for watching. Thank you very much. So this concludes our project presentation. Thank you very much.